guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you how to prepare a papaya suntan removal face scrub. So papaya is one of the best ingredients for skin lightening, whitening and brightening. It just makes your skin supremely glowing, bright and radiant. And specifically this scrub includes all the natural ingredients which really helps in clearing out all types of dark spots, pigmentation, pimple or acne scars, and will just completely remove suntan from your skin. So now let me tell you what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this face scrub. So we only need 4 ingredients to prepare this face scrub, and the first ingredient which we need is this papaya paste. And to prepare this papaya paste, you just need to blend or grind the papaya really well and just make a smooth paste out of it. After the papaya paste, you will need sugar. Then you're gonna need orange peel powder. So orange peel powder is one of the best ingredients in clearing out all types of dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation. And orange have vitamin C into it, so it really brightens, lightens and widens your skin complexion. And the last ingredient which we need is this vitamin E oil, and we are adding this oil just for the moisturization and hydration. So now let's prepare this face scrub. And to prepare this face scrub, we firstly take 3 teaspoons of this papaya paste in a clean bowl. After that, we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar into it. And after adding the sugar, we'll just slightly mix both these ingredients. And you should not mix both these ingredients a lot, because then the sugar will dissolve into this paste, which we do not want. So just give a 5 to 10 second mix, and that is it. And after adding the sugar, we'll add 1 teaspoon of this orange peel powder into it. And now lastly, we'll add half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding all these ingredients, now again we'll just give a slight mix to all these ingredients and we'll just make a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients really well, your homemade papaya, orange and sugar scrub is ready and will look something like this. This scrub should be of medium consistency, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should be really smooth and a scrub like consistency. So this scrub is highly effective in skin lightening, whitening and brightening, and also removes suntan within just few uses of this scrub. This scrub have all the natural ingredients which a suntan removal scrub should have, and this scrub also helps in dark spot removal, pigmentation removal as well as acne and pimple scar removal. So now let me tell you how to use this scrub for best results. So you just need to take a little amount of this scrub onto your fingertips and then just massage it onto your face and neck for about 1 or 2 minutes, or you can even massage it more than that, because this is a natural scrub and it will not at all harm your skin. Just gently scrub your skin, and you can use this scrub on your face as well as on your whole body. And after scrubbing it for a few minutes, you just need to rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.